Okay, to install the Frame GUI for ffmpeg, go to flathub.org, search for Frame, click on Frame, then click the down arrow by Install, click the copy icon, then open up a terminal and paste the command you copied, then run it. Then answer yes. And when it's done installing, you can go to your Applications menu and launch Frame. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.